These 10 shapes are illegal to use. Can you guess why? I'm gonna put in front of you 10 shapes that are illegal to use. To trademark a shape is actually quite hard, meaning that the shape is so iconic for that brand, it has acquired a secondary meaning inseparable with the brand. If you guess some of them correctly, we do have a gift. Well, let's see how you guys do. And you guys scared of tarantulas?
Yeah.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. There's gonna be no tarantula. Just relax.
Girlfriend, boyfriend.
Okay, so you guys have touched each other before?
Yes.
So here are the trademark shapes from least to most valuable.
Okay.
Sweet.
Toblerone.
Oh, someone's just said.
Oh, I didn't know.
Didn't you? I did, you can guess. It's in my pocket right now.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Prove it.
I bought one for my partner.
Oh, whoa.
Oh,
Toblerone.
Yeah.
Toblerones, yeah. You like Toblerones?
Yeah, they're great.
And can you guess why they're shaped like this?
Is it so you can snap them off?
They're inspired by Swiss Alps, because the brand is Swiss. You
Can we open our eyes?
You can open your eyes. Cool, here you go, guys.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's keep going. Well, there's no way they guessed this one.
It's giving spoon. I don't know what else.
It's a spoon that's given spoon.
Yeah, it's a spoon. Some description.
Not just a spoon.
It's not just a spoon.
It's used by a fast food brand that is pretty big.
We don't really do fast food.
One of those things where you click at the bottom and then there are like sweets coming up.
Is it a McFlurry spoon? I used to work at McDonald's.
Oh, really? Well, then you probably can tell us what this is for.
In the McDonald's I worked at, no one would ever clip it into the machine. It's supposed to like mix around the ice cream, so it's all like mixed in with the toppings.
To reduce plastic waste, they attach it to the mixer, and your McFlurry is being mixed with the spoon, but now it's still plastic, so McDonald's now has a different spoon. Next one.
It feels like a weight type of thing.
Oh, like a plate? Sorry, were you looking just now?
No, I didn't. No. Like a motorcycle or a car.
Huh?
What is it?
That's it, you give up?
If you can feel any letters on the top of it, put it down. Oh, is it an Oreo?
It is an Oreo. You like Oreos?
Yeah.
Now, if you could stand here, not look.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so much.
Cool. This is a trademark shape of an Oreo that we increased in size to make it more difficult for people to tell. Oreo don't have a plural form, so you can't say Oreos. It's just Oreo. Yeah. Go.
I don't even know what this is.
Disaronno. Is it a perfume?
It is. What is the name of this particular one?
Is it Chanel?
Yes. Which one?
Number 5.
Correct.
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I'm fancy.
I see. We have a gift for you.
Okay. What's that? Well, I don't trust you for some reason. I'm sorry. Did you just give me Chanel?
Yes.
You're lying.
No.
For real?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry, I didn't trust you at all.
No, it's fine. I get it. This one you might not know. Go.
Okay. Is this the cheese? Like the titty cheese?
Do we get any clues?
You do. It's an American brand. Confectionery.
Confectionery.
What's that? Hang on. It's like a spinning top thing?
Oh, is it like a Hershey's Kisses?
Correct.
Mate, that is...
This is, of course, Hershey's Kisses. And they were actually involved in a massive legal battle with Mars Company that launched a chocolate called Dove Promises that Hershey was arguing is infringing this trademark. The court said that the Dove Promises packaging was sufficiently distinctive from Hershey's Kisses. Oh, soapy tasting. Not very good. Let's try this next one.
Just a tube.
It's like a Pringles thing.
Very warm, very hot.
Is it a Pringles tube?
Correct. Now, if you could stand here, not look, open your eyes. Okay, so this is for you.
Where am I feeling? Oh.
It's small. It's a brick. Is it Lego?
Oh, can we guess? It's a Lego cube?
Feels like Lego.
Yeah, Lego.
Lego? Correct.
It's a bit scary.
Open your eyes.
Oh,
That's so awesome.
that's brilliant.
Thank you so much.
The signature Lego brick design was trademarked in 1958. That underlines basically any Lego construction. Okay, next one.
Shoe.
It is a shoe. This shoe has like a particular feature. It's a Nike shoe. There is one detail about the shoe that is protected.
Bowling shoes? I don't know.
Air, and then my name.
Oh, Air Max.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, it's the bubble.
It's the bubble. Yeah, of course. This bubble is protected design. No other brand can use it.
Thank
And
you.
this is a gift for you.
What is in here? Oh, shit!
Yeah.
Genuinely?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Good. You're welcome. Go.
I'm scared.
Tropicana.
Cartón de leche.
Only one brand can use this packaging.
Oh, a milk carton.
Yeah.
Some people think it's a type of packaging, but it's actually a brand.
Is it the brand that makes the packaging?
It is.
Yeah.
There can be milk.
That's a good hint.
I have no idea.
It's a brand called Tetra.
Never.
Tetra Pak.
Never heard of it.
Never heard of Tetra Pak?
No.
Oh, a Tetra Pak, of course. I thought in German, like,
It would say Tetra Pak carton. So every big brand that wants to use this particular shape of packaging has to pay to Tetra Pak. This particular shape that is used for milk and juice is called Tetra Brick, because of the shape. Okay, last one. You guys ready?
yeah, I'm ready. Oh, this feels like Actimel. Do you know what that is?
It's the hardest.
It's like made of plastic.
It's a Coca-Cola bottle. Just steal it.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's okay.
A Coca-Cola bottle? Oh, oopsie.
Okay, stand here and close your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay. We have a Coke bottle
Yay!
and a big lighter.
Thank you.
Okay, awesome.